TC3. Sino po senior ng Baby TC3?
Si Sir Guartico.
Si Sir Guartico. One round.
Oh, this is our closing ceremony na.
Practice.
This is our closing ceremony. So, mga na yung mga participants na.
Sige, practice muna tayo para later hindi tayo magkakagulo-gulo.
Okay, practice.
Please remain standing for the mass singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the mass singing of the U.S. National Anthem, and followed by the invocation via a and all the paintings, preparations for your field training exercise yesterday. So I would like to share to you that yesterday, the members of the Tactical Combat Casualty Care and the Leadership Development had their field training exercise.
I think there's a general consensus, ma'am, that we should conduct all SPK trainings down here in Eastern Colorado, right? Yeah! We'll see. I think VISCOM might have something to say about that. But like the ma'am said, we will definitely be back here. Sir, good morning, Colonel Maximiliano, Colonel Malagas. Thank you very much for being here with us this morning. On behalf of our Adjutant General Michael Cruz and Command Senior Enlisted Leader Celso Leone, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the hospitality, for the accommodations of the past week. Like Colonel Salvosa said, every time we come here to Davao, it's nothing but warmth and hospitality amongst all the folks down here. And I think that's what brings us back here. It's just the camaraderie, like Colonel Salvosa said, that we build among everybody here. It's definitely a different place. And we love coming back here. So, like I said, we will be back. For all of the attendees, again, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all of your time and effort this past week. Many of you, all of you have your own civilian careers, and it's not easy to take time away from your civilian jobs to come and do this, but we are very honored and privileged to have your time here with us. And we know it's not lost upon us that it's a challenge for reservists to do so. So thank you so much for that.
Assistant Chief of Unified Command Staff for Retirees, Reservist Retirees Affairs, Unite is informed for the presentation of the training participants, followed by the formal declaration of closing of the course by Major General Luis Rex D. Bergante, Philippine Army Commander SMENCOM, to be represented by Colonel Ruben B. Mataliano, General Staff Corps, Infantry, Philippine Army Command Inspector General SMENCOM.
Thank you very much. Sa inyong lahat, we can represent the students, just a short note. Kami nga ni Ma'am, parang ako Unite. I used to be the UK, Operations Officer. Year 20 2024-2 and 40 Leadership Development Correctors in NGOs 2024-2. Recommend that said training be closed and they will be declared graduate effective this date.
Before I will declare the closing of this training as a representative of the Commander State, I hereby declare the participants of the Tactical Combat Casualty Care 2024-2 and the Leadership Development for Officers and NGOs 2024 under the State Partnership Program with the Guam National Guard and OT9 graduates and subsequently close the training effective today. Congratulations.
Armed Forces of the Philippines, Guam National Guard Certificate of Training is presented to and has successfully completed the Tactical Combat Casualty Care 2024-2 given this 7th day of July at the headquarters, Eastern Mindanao Command, is MINCOM, Panangkan, Davao City. Signed, Major General Joel Alejandro S. Naknak, Philippine Army, DCS for Service and Retired Affairs. Signed, Lieutenant Colonel Manuel Oduenas, U.S. Army, SPT Director, Guam National Guard. Signed, Colonel Rosel P. Salvos, Captain Dwayne Jared Sablan, U.S. Army, SPT Coordinator, Guam National Guard. Presented to 6 staffs. Same certificate is presented to Philippine Army. The Philippine Air Force. Same certificate is given to the Philippine Navy, Sailors and Marines. Certificate of Training for Leadership and Development for Officers and Non-Commissioned Officers 2024, Small Unit Tactics. Same certificate is given to the Philippine Air Force. The same certificates is given to the Philippine Navy, Sailors and Marines. The certificate of appreciation Same certificate is given to Captain Dwayne Jared Sablan, U.S. Army. Staff Sergeant Melissa Meno, U.S. Army. Sergeant First Class Jeffron Calabang,
That's all right.
U.S. Army. Sergeant First Class Fred Esteves, U.S. Army. Sergeant First Class Daniel Glenn Salas, U.S. Army.
Woo! Wala lang. Uli na.
Specialist Melo Marasigan, U.S. Army. Another certificate of appreciation is given to Lieutenant Colonel Ezra L. Volante, General Staff Corps Infantry, Philippine Army. For the City of the Angkawaldi. And that concludes our program this morning. Congratulations, everyone. For the photo opportunity, we request all the officers first.
That's conclude our closing ceremony. So, yun na. Closing ceremony na. Yan.
All students, dito kayo. Dito, bilis. PCT. Dito. All PCT students here.
All PC3 students. Bubot sila.